What if I told you that a subtle adjustment in how you present yourself could make a woman notice you in ways you never imagined? That the person she once overlooked could suddenly become someone she can't stop thinking about? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could transform how you connect with her. Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring how small changes in your confidence, presence, and energy can completely shift how a woman perceives you and how to turn quiet indifference into genuine attraction. A woman may not show interest immediately, but that doesn't mean she's closed off. Often, it's the smallest shifts in your mindset, behavior, or energy that unlock something unexpected within her. If you've ever thought, I don't stand a chance, think again, because what you're about to learn can change everything. We all deserve to feel valued and appreciated. And more often than not, it's the smallest adjustments that create the biggest emotional breakthroughs. Today, I'll walk you through simple yet powerful strategies that can transform indifference into meaningful connection. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, let's focus on how charm, confidence, subtle psychological cues, and emotional awareness can make her notice you even if she never did before. It begins with a confident smile. Let's start with eye contact, the kind that truly makes an impact. This isn't about random glances or staring. It's about being intentional and emotionally present. Focused gently on her left eye. Research suggests that this can stimulate oxytocin, the bonding hormone associated with trust and emotional connection. It's the same chemical released during moments of closeness and vulnerability. The next time you speak with her, slow down. Hold a soft, steady gaze into her left eye, not forced, but natural and warm. A look that quietly communicates, I see you, I respect you, you matter. Eyes rarely deceive. And when yours reflect calm, confidence, and genuine care, you become memorable. Now let's talk about something often underestimated. Your scent. The right fragrance does more than boost your confidence. It enhances your presence. Scent is deeply tied to memory and emotion. When you wear a subtle, appealing fragrance, it becomes associated with you in her mind. Later, even a faint trace can bring you back into her thoughts. Choose something that aligns with your personality. If you're calm and grounded, go for woody or musky tones. If you lean toward mystery and intensity, consider spices or darker citrus blends. These small details quietly build a sense of closeness without saying a word. Of course, anxiety can get in the way, so let's address that naturally. Feeling nervous is completely normal, but you don't have to battle it alone. L-theanine found in green tea can help calm your mind. Ashwagandha supports stress regulation, and magnesium glycinate can ease tension and improve sleep quality. When you feel relaxed and centered, your authentic self comes through effortlessly. Attraction flows more naturally when you're present and grounded, not overanalyzing every move. Before a date, consider calling someone who reminds you of your worth, a parent, sibling, or close friend. Hearing a supportive voice can lower stress and reinforce the truth that you're already valued. That calm energy becomes your baseline. And women can sense it. They feel your grounded confidence, not arrogance. And that creates a powerful sense of connection. Now, let's talk about the date itself. Skip the predictable dinner or movie. If you want to shift how she sees you, create an emotional experience, try something engaging. Ziplining, dancing, an escape room, or even a unique art exhibit. Shared excitement builds lasting memories. And when she associates those feelings with you, her perception begins to change. You become linked to adventure and emotion, not just familiarity. Pay attention to subtle social cues as well. The way you treat others, Wait staff, bartenders, even strangers speaks volumes about your character. Women pick up on this instinctively. Calm, respectful interactions signal emotional stability and confidence. That combination is rare, and it makes her feel at ease and drawn to you. When the bill arrives, handle it quietly and confidently. No need for attention or acknowledgement. Taking initiative without seeking praise reflects true self-assurance. It shows that you're grounded, capable, and generous without needing validation. When she notices that you handled it smoothly and without display, it creates an unexpected impression, respect for your maturity, and a sense of emotional security. As the date ends, don't rush the moment. One of the most common mistakes is trying to force a kiss too soon. Restraint is far more compelling than urgency. End the evening with a warm hug and a genuine, "I had a great time." Leave just enough unsaid to spark curiosity. That unanswered question, what happens next, keeps you on her mind. Let anticipation build. That subtle mystery can transform you from someone she barely noticed into someone she can't stop thinking about. Here's the reality. Attraction isn't about clever lines or elaborate plans. It's about who you are and how you carry yourself, both in her presence and beyond it. Most men focus entirely on gaining attention, but real attraction starts with a deeper shift in mindset. Women are drawn to men who are continuously evolving mentally and emotionally. Stoicism, for example, isn't about suppressing emotion. It's about mastering your reactions, focusing on what you can control, and cultivating inner calm. When a woman sees a man who doesn't unravel after rejection or chase approval, she notices something different. Grounded men are intriguing. They're not easy to read, and that mystery draws her in. Focus on your own growth. Read, set goals, exercise, practice stillness, and eliminate unnecessary stressors. When you're emotionally balanced, it shows attraction thrives on subtle tension. The balance between presence and space, warmth and restraint. When you're comfortable in your own skin and not trying to win her over, she begins to notice. Silence becomes powerful. Listening more than speaking, moving with intention, letting eye contact carry meaning. This creates curiosity. She leans in, asks questions, and becomes more invested. When she starts thinking about you more than you think about her, the dynamic shifts. Speak less, feel more. Aim to impress yourself, not her. When you do speak, take your time. Let your words carry emotion. Share what genuinely matters to you, not to impress, but to express. That authenticity lingers long after you're gone. Prioritize emotional safety, not just attraction. Trust is the foundation of any meaningful connection. Small gestures, opening doors, listening attentively should communicate. You're safe with me. I value understanding you. When she feels safe, her walls begin to lower, even if she initially overlooked you. Attraction isn't about effort alone, it's about energy. Thoughtful gestures and plans matter, but they can't replace calm, confidence, and purpose. Stop chasing. Instead, cultivate a presence that naturally draws her in. You're not persuading her to like you. You're shifting how she experiences you through your energy, confidence, and presence. Let curiosity do the work. Give her space to wonder, to lean in, to miss you. When you move from pursuit to polarity, she becomes the one trying to understand you. One truth stands out. A man's value is reflected in how he makes a woman feel about herself. If she feels seen, heard, and appreciated, she won't just like you. She'll respect you. And respect is the foundation of lasting attraction. You don't need everyone's attention. You only need to become so grounded, fulfilled, and self-assured that when someone notices you, it's because of who you are, not because you chased validation. The next time a woman seems uninterested, don't shrink or react emotionally. Stand tall, smile, and remind yourself, she doesn't know me yet, but she will. Remember this, attraction isn't about tricks or trying to impress. It's about your presence, your energy, and how you carry yourself in every moment. From the way you hold eye contact to the smallest gestures of respect and confidence, every detail matters. When you focus on becoming emotionally centered and authentically confident, you stop chasing. Instead, you attract. You build curiosity. You inspire respect. Women don't respond only to what you say. They respond to how you make them feel. So stand tall, smile with intention, own your energy. Let your presence speak for you, because when you become truly unforgettable, she will notice. And that's where real connection begins. If you found this valuable, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And drop the word magnet in the comments. That's the energy we're building here.